Hey guys, if you're new here, I promise I don't always look this rough, but I just woke up and so I figured since I need to wash my hair, I would start this weekly Fanola first impressions vlog. I figured I would do a week long so you guys can see how my hair looks throughout the week. I don't know. Could be helpful. They saw my toning video and sent me some product. I did do an unboxing over on my Instagram story, so if you don't follow me over there, you totally should. I'll leave my handle right here. But since I'm washing my hair, I figured it would be the perfect time to try their restructuring shampoo and conditioner. I want y'all to get a full first impression. So I wanted to show y'all what my hair looks like now. It's dull, dry, damaged. You can't really see it right now because I do have a lot of leave-in conditioner in it, but I do have lots of split ends and stuff. So I'm gonna start with the shampoo and conditioner and then I'll come back and show you what else I got in the box. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of hair, fashion, and beauty content, all of which I always keep affordable. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get to washing. I'm really excited for this bond connector. It's a sealing cream. It says that it's ideal for colored and bleached hair and to complete and stabilize hair after perms and straightening service. Apply to towel dried hair over links and ends, then comb through. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse. So it is like a cream. Apply to ends. It does smell really good, like a cologne-y smell. Now I'm gonna brush my hair starting from the ends. You always wanna brush your hair from bottom to top. It's brushing out really easy considering my hair is so dry and tangly. All right, so my hair feels really soft and that stuff is really thick. I like how smooth my hair brushed out and it does smell really good still. So Alexa, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, turn off the timer. I'm gonna attempt to rinse off right here, but you probably won't even be able to see. So now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I did want to mention, because I completely forgot earlier, that I did use the blue shampoo first and then I went in with the normal deep conditioning shampoo that they sent. I thought it would be interesting to see if this serum works. So I'm gonna do the serum on one side of my hair and not the other. I am also going to use this heat protectant and flash blow dry spray. It just helps my hair dry faster and it also has a heat protectant. I am going to use this round brush blow dryer. I do have a tutorial on it, so if you want a full in-depth tutorial on how I use this, I will leave that in the description box below. So let's do serum on this side. This is the Restructuring Fluid Crystals Serum. I'm going to take a whole pump of that, it's not much, and run it through my ends mostly. This smells good too. It's like a citrusy smell. Really nice. And then I'm gonna take this blow dry spray. So first impression, I like it, you guys. It's leaving my hair super soft and shiny. I can tell by the way the brush runs through my hair. This one just seems so much more smooth and shiny. Look at my ends on this side. Look at my ends on this side. I mean, it still is pretty frizzy right here, but it's a lot smoother throughout my strand. Yay! Okay, let me do the rest of my hair and I'll give you a final first impression. Let's see these results. This is the side with just the bond connector. And then this is the side with the serum. So the serum did actually make a huge difference. Don't get me wrong, it still feels super soft and moisturized and healthy, but this one just looks so much smoother. I can't get over how good my hair smells right now. Even on this side. What does this say? Apply a few drops to clean hair, either dry or damp. Do not rinse off. So I'm gonna just put this over top of this one. I just wanted you all to see the difference because I do like to blow dry out my smoothing serums. I really feel like it adds shine and a lot more smoothness to my hair, but this side is pretty shiny, just not as much as this side. So yeah, let's just apply a little bit of this. See, especially right in here, I was noticing when I blow dried how much smoother it looked on these like baby hairs. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I definitely could. So it does help smooth even with your hair dry. So this is how I'm gonna leave my hair today. I cannot get over how delicious my hair smells. It definitely smells like I just left a high-end salon and I'm loving it because, you know, I'm here in my bathroom. It's nice to have that here at home. So I'm really loving everything so far. I do still have the leave-in spray mask, so I will be trying this one out as well. Feeling this hair now. If y'all want to see how frizzy and damaged my hair is just air dried, I will leave my How I Fake Healthy Hair in the description box below because I'm like really happy on how smooth and straight and soft my hair feels right now. It's a huge difference to how my hair actually was before I tried these products. I gotta go. I'll see y'all tomorrow. So day 2 check-in and my hair is honestly feeling super soft and looking really shiny still. I haven't brushed it out yet, and I was just looking at it in the mirror to see if I needed dry shampoo or conditioner because I do have the leave-in conditioner here. I'm gonna wait on the leave-in conditioner just to see how long the bond connector and the serum keeps my hair looking nice and healthy. But right now, for the most part, it's looking really good. And the fact that I don't have many tangles down here, like, that's huge, guys. I always wake up with tons of tangles down here. My hair just gets tangled. Brushing it out is pretty easy. Yeah, everything's still pretty smooth except for like this part where I pulled it back into a ponytail last night. Got a little makeup on. Now I'm back to style my hair. Honestly, this is it just brushed out after yesterday. It's looking pretty good. It's still shiny, like healthy looking. I mean, my ends are pretty bad. I do need a haircut, but I've been like putting it off. So like I want to cut my hair, but I don't. So I'm gonna hold off until I'm like finally decided. I'm just gonna style it really quickly. So all I'm gonna do is take this Eva NIC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer just for a heat protectant and just spray it through my hair before I curl. And honestly, normally my hair would be pretty dry and frizzy looking, but since it's not, I'm gonna hold off on leave-in conditioner because I wanna see how good this serum and bond connector are. I'm just lightly gonna curl my hair. This is the T3 1.25 barrel. And I do like to just brush out the curl with my hand so that I do get like a kind of curled look, but still like a blown out look, if that makes sense. And I'm just taking random pieces and sizes for this hair. Just taking this hair shake, add some texture on the ends. Taking a little bit of hairspray. and just a little bit of this volumizing powder. I thought this fake mole would be cute, but it's like kind of just a distraction. I'm trying to hide this tiny little zit right here. It's not doing me any favors, but anyways, this is what my hair looks like. I'm actually really loving it. I didn't do much to it, but I do want to see how everything works with the rest of the product, because I feel like hairspray and like texturizing spray dries out my hair, so it's a good test to see how dry my hair is gonna look tomorrow. I like it. All right, time to go. Gotta wash my dishes. It's Christmas Eve, hence my Christmas sweater. But this is what my hair looks like today. It might be the hairspray, but usually when I do like texturizing product or hairspray, I get tangles like this. So I definitely want to try the leave-in conditioner today, which is what I'm gonna do. This is the Neutral One 10 Actions Restructuring Spray Mask. I like to spray it like directly to the huge tangle. Okay, already I like the sprayer on this. I have a leave-in conditioner that I love, but the sprayer kind of gets gunky and then it just like spits leave-in conditioner at me, which it's okay because it's really good. This smells really nice actually. So I'm just gonna try and brush out the big tangle first, and then I'll go do the rest of my hair with that leave-in conditioner. Actually, this is coming out really easy. It's not usually this easy for me to get my tangles out. I'm actually quite impressed with that. I'm really impressed with how smooth and easy that tangle came out. It's usually way bigger of an ordeal. So now that that's out, I'm just gonna split it in half, and I want to go on the ends and then just kind of fluff and spray it throughout. So the bottom of my hair doesn't feel like too tacky or like that conditioner is too heavy. It is kind of giving a matte look to my hair though. I think I'm gonna add dry shampoo. Right now I have this Dove one. Not my favorite. I do need to get on Ulta and order some stuff, including dry shampoo. Just using what I have. I'm lightly spraying that. My hair is not greasy by any means, but it's what, like day 3, 4 of me washing my hair. So just to prevent anything from getting too oily. I'm gonna take some of the serum again, just because I feel like my hair does look a lot more matte. Add shine back. I'm gonna mix this in. And I did about a pump on each side, which this side might need a little more, but I'll go back at the end if it does. And then just taking the same curling iron and doing the exact same thing I did yesterday. So I feel like that serum did add a little bit of shine to my hair, but the leave-in conditioner did leave it really matte. So I feel like the matte leave-in conditioner kind of took over. Kind of just want my hair to be a little more shiny. So I'm gonna go in with some shine spray, and I'm using this Chi Shine Infusion. This is actually supposed to be thermal activated, but I feel like it gets shinier without curling it, so I always just apply this last. I'm actually also gonna go in with this Blonde Me Shine Elixir. So I just took a pump of that and I'm just kind of blending it through my hair. So this is what my hair looks like today. Here's my ends. I definitely feel like the leave-in conditioner helped. I'm still amazed at how easy that tangle came out with that leave-in conditioner. Better than the one that I'm using now. The only thing is that it didn't leave my hair looking matte. Adding the serum in and that shine spray definitely helped my hair look shiny again. I really like the way that that conditioner smells too, by the way. Everything smells phenomenal. It's Christmas, so I'm gonna do something really quick, but I'm just checking in. This is what my hair looks like now. It's not unusual for my hair to be tangled like this. It's just what it does. The ends of my hair still look really nice from this leave-in conditioner, so I'm just gonna spray more of this, be able to brush out that tangle. I usually spray like conditioner or detangling spray before I brush out any big tangles like this. Now I'm just gonna spray a little through the ends. Ooh, my hair looks good. So I didn't add any hairspray yesterday, and it seemed to have held the curl really nicely, even with that conditioner in, so that's nice. Honestly, since my hair is looking pretty good and I've spent so much time on my makeup today, I want to get back to the kids and my husband because it's Christmas. I might just leave it because it still looks good. It's nice and smooth now. I think the only thing I'm going to add is some of this Eva NYC Seeing Stars Holographic Gold Spray. This is basically just glitter spray for your hair. And that's it. That's all I'm doing today. It's a wash day, so I wanted to update y'all on what my hair looks like before I get in the shower. My ends are looking so good, honestly. I'm gonna keep doing the bond connector because I really liked that product. This tangle back here isn't as big and tangly as it would have been. First impressions of these Fanola products is they are bomb. They're really good hair products. It's day 5 and my hair does not look too dry or too greasy up at the top. It's looking pretty good. Hey, baby. So, hey. There's my kid farting on me again. So, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will give y'all updates over on my Instagram page. So if you don't follow me over there, you definitely should. Again, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.